For the Nordic curl or the natural leg curl, you need to either have a glute ham machine or a vivid imagination. So the way I've got this set up is that I've got an anchor underneath a bunch of weights, and I use the cable as a supporting thing. So yeah, essentially you're going from a kneeling position down to almost a lying position, but using your hamstrings to pull yourself back up again. It looks like this again.